Camping Hacks 101. All right, so here we are up a logging road, and we have a crack in our radiator, which I'm trying to repair with some vinyl and rubber cement, and maybe this piece of patching material, and then more vinyl cement, and then some duct tape. Oh boy. Rubber cement is almost dry. Then we're going to put on our patch, and then put more rubber cement around the edges, and then finish with duct tape. See what happens. Gonna try a thin strip of this. Then we'll put the larger, thicker one on top. Kind of build it out in layers. And the finishing touch. Oh man. All right. Made it all the way home. The patch held up incredibly well. It actually wasn't leaking until we stopped, I guess, because of the heat. It's expanding. Start leaking a tiny bit.